colors, shapes, and flashing lights. I hear with my ears, soft or loud, music, voices in a crowd. Touch, taste, hear, smell, and see. 5 cool senses just for me. Use them all every day, learning in a fun new way. I smell with my nose, flowers and food. A yummy scent can change my mood. I taste with my tongue,